Ooh. Everyone always poses with them like,
Oh,
do you mind? What is this glorified skin vibrator gonna do for my face? I'm not even in it.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Why is my body like 5 different shades right now? Oh well, I'm sure I'll be back to the fake tan soon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another testing overly sponsored products video. Have I done 2 of these now? I think I've done 2 of these. The original person that I saw do these were Talia Ma, which I have mentioned, I think in the first video that I did. But I've been testing this time round some products over the past 2 months, so that it's kind of, well, some of them 2 months, some of them a month, so that I kind of get more of an impression of them. I've got 4 different brands in this video that I'm going to be speaking about, which I have seen loads of people be sponsored by, but I just really wanted to test these things myself, unsponsored, show you guys my thoughts and reactions and opinions to them. So yeah, let's get into it. The first product is by a brand that I have mentioned in these videos before. I've actually worked with this brand before. The brand is Iconic London. They do a lot of sponsored stuff, especially recently with the new Love Islander people. I've seen Amy and Lucy do sponsorships about this product. I also think Ellie Brown from last year and just a lot of people have done sponsorships with this particular product. I won't lie, they do have some nice products, and they also have some products that I don't necessarily get along with. But the product in particular that I wanted to test at the start of this video, just so we can actually see the results, hopefully live on camera, is their plumping lip gloss. I'm gonna put this on my lips. I've already got on a little bit of lip liner, which is the MAC Soar lip pencil. The products from Iconic London that I do really like. They have a really nice mascara. They've also got a really nice glowy sort of setting spray. On the website, this lip plumping gloss is £19. I've got the shade Nearly Nude, and actually, you know what? I'm going to take a close-up picture of my lips before and after, because I feel like that'll be an easier method of doing it. My lips are uneven on both sides, so this side is a little bit bigger than this side of my lips, and my lips are looking a little bit dry today, I'm not gonna lie, and I haven't done my lip liner the most even. So this is them before. It smells kind of minty. Ooh, I can already feel it tingling. It's a nice colour. It's a little bit sticky, but nothing too bad. I can definitely feel it starting to tingle already. So I guess just as we go on throughout this video, we'll see if it plumps my lips, and then I'll do a final close-up at the end. So the next product, which I literally tested for a whole month straight, was Sugar Bear Hair. I started this just after I filmed my Instagram Controls My Life video, where I cut my hair myself, because I thought I'd give it a little trim and then try and grow it with the Sugar Bear hair. I am still desperately in need of a haircut, by the way. The ends of my hair are so dead. I did get sent this as a PR package, however it was completely random. I had no communications with them. They didn't ask me to test them for a video or anything. You know, there was no obligation to do anything, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna test them and see if they actually work, because the Kardashians have done sponsorships with these. So many YouTubers and Instagrammers and celebrities have done collaborations with Sugar Bear Hair, and I've seen it all over my Instagram. So I will insert a little clip of me here with my hair on the first date of taking them, and my review on the like flavour and everything. Okay, so this is my hair before. It's in desperate need of a wash, and it has got quite a lot of dry shampoo in it. I normally wear it kind of wavy, but I have literally just given my hair a little trim. If you're wondering why I'm wearing neon yellow, it was from a video that I filmed. Well, by the time you're watching this, it'll be quite a while ago now. But just so you can get a sort of overall look of the length of my hair before, it kind of comes down to just past my boobs and like just past my bra. Obviously I do have layers which are a bit shorter. So I did get sent these. I don't know if they're the original Sugar Bear Hair. They just say on them Sugar Bear Hair vitamins. They say that they're vegetarian. Adults take 2 gummy vitamins per day. Chew thoroughly before swallowing. Do not exceed recommended dose. Everyone always says these taste delicious, so let's see if they're telling the truth. Oh, that smells strong. Why are they green? So they look like this. They actually do smell really nice. Everyone always poses with them like, they're such a weird texture. The taste of them is nice, but they're not really chewy. They just kind of dissolve and go to mush. They kind of taste like a mixture of strawberry and lime. To be fair, they do actually taste pretty nice. Okay, so I've had one now. I'll probably have another one before I go to bed. Today is Friday the 5th of July. So we've got a month, and I will report back on Friday the 5th of August once I've eaten all of these. What's the date today? The 5th of August. Basically, I'm on...
Oh,
Do you mind?
Sorry.
What was that? I am on my last Sugar Bear hair. It's the 5th of August. Wait, let me just show you guys on my Fitbit there. Hopefully you can see that. I'm actually on holiday in Croatia and I brought these with me because I was dedicated to seeing if they actually work. I must have gone wrong somewhere. I thought I'd stuck to it, but on one day I must have either eaten 3 or forgot to eat one, forgot to eat one because I have 1 left. I'm supposed to have 2 left, but I have 1 left, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. I'm sure it doesn't make that much of a difference if I ate 3 on one day or 1 on one day or whatever, but it is my last Sugar Bear hair. And to be honest, I don't really know if my hair is growing or if it feels any healthier. I mean, it does feel very soft, but to be honest, I think that's something to do with the fact that the water here is different in Croatia. But yeah, I don't know. I really honestly don't really know if my hair is growing at a quicker rate than usual. I have no idea, but they are pretty tasty. Let me just move back a little bit. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment. This is the kind of length of it. I am definitely in desperate need of a haircut because I don't know if you can see, the ends of my hair are extremely kind of thin and they lose a lot of volume as it gets towards the ends. So I think I need quite, you know, a few inches of chop just to make it a bit healthier because I haven't had my hair cut, I think, since December, which has been over 6 months now, so I really need to book in. So do I think that it actually worked? I do get a lot of comments asking how my hair is so healthy looking and what shampoo and conditioners I use. I honestly just use whichever ones are the cheapest in the supermarket or whichever ones I've been sent, and I switch it up all the time. I don't do anything in specific to keep my hair healthy. And to be honest, the Sugar Bear hair I don't find has made my hair feel any softer because it's not really going to do that. It would more be the hair that grows from your roots, I think. And to be honest, I do think my hair has grown a little bit quicker than normal over the past month, but it's nothing that would make me want to repurchase them and keep taking them because it hasn't been that drastic of a difference, if that makes sense. So in the UK, these are £30.99 for 60 tablets and you take 2 a day, so that's a month's supply. So my hair usually does grow very slowly, and yeah, I think that my hair has grown a little bit quicker than normal. However, like I said, not enough to make me want to spend £30.99 a month on these because I don't think they've made that big of a difference. Overall, I don't really think they're worth the money. I think you can probably get cheaper hair vitamins. If anyone has any recommendations for like hair vitamins or hair, skin and nail vitamins that actually do work and they have noticed a difference, please let me know down below because I'm kind of interested to try more of them to see if maybe it would help. The next brand that I'm going to be talking about is Foreo. This was definitely the most expensive part of this video because I didn't get sent this. I paid for this with my own money, and the full price of these little machines is about £100. I got mine on sale in Currys for I think £88. If you haven't heard of Foreo, it's basically this skincare brand and they make these electronic vibrating skin devices that are supposed to kind of gently exfoliate your skin. They've got 2 different sizes to them. Well, this one that I've got is called the Foreo Luna Mini 2. I had seen so many people, mostly on my Instagram but also on YouTube as well, talk about this brand and product and review it and be sponsored by them basically. So I wanted to buy one and test one, and then I went on their website and was like, wow, they're actually really expensive. Like £100 for a skin clearing device is a lot of money. End of June was when I bought this, so we're now midway through August, so I guess I've been testing this for almost 2 months now. At the start I was very skeptical and I was like, what is this glorified skin vibrator gonna do for my face? But I have to say, after using it for the past 2 months, even after using it for the first week, I was like, ooh, I actually really like it. It's definitely the most expensive skincare thing that I've ever bought. So what you do is you just hold down this button in the middle and it buzzes, and then you put on your cleanser or whatever, wet your face, and then you just use this to kind of massage in your you know, cleanser and give your face a gentle scrub. The word gentle is definitely to be highlighted here because my skin is very sensitive, but this, because it's like very soft little bristles on this side. This side is a bit more kind of like coarse, to be honest. I don't really use this side, but this is so soft. I find that it just exfoliates the dead skin, mostly off my nose, like the pores around my nose get a little bit like dead skinny and need clearing. And this does it so gently without irritating your skin, which is something that I absolutely love. I use this most days twice a day, or like once a day, but I can use it twice a day and it still doesn't irritate my skin, which is amazing. Within the first week of using this, it cleared up all the tiny little bumps on my forehead. However, they did then come back again because I was in the period of like, switching my contraceptive pill, and so my skin did get a little bit messed up and I wasn't really sure if it was that or if it was stress. But I have found that this really has helped to reduce like some of the texture on my forehead. It's not been like a miracle cure for having like the most amazing skin, but I do actually quite like how it like vibrates and buzzes, because it almost feels like you're getting a massage as well. You get a charging cable, but you can charge it, and I think that charge is supposed to last 5 months. And obviously as well, using something like this that you don't have to replace any of the heads or anything, this will last you years because it's not really going to break down. It's very like durable silicone. It's a lot better for the environment than having a type of like cleanser where you have to keep replacing the brush heads, if that makes sense. So yeah, I do actually really like it. And also another bonus as well, like this feels like I'm doing an ad, but I promise this is not sponsored. But would I be open to working with them in the future? Yeah, I think I would. Foreo, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Because it's silicone, it doesn't like hold bacteria that easily, so it's super easy to clean. It's just a really nice little device. I do think it's expensive, and I don't think it's a necessity. Like, absolutely not. If you don't have an extra £100 or £80 or whatever to spend on a skincare device, don't do it. I bought this, and then literally the week later, Foreo sent me one, and it's like the newer version which you can connect to your phone and stuff. I'm still yet to try that because I kind of think I don't really need 2 of them, but if I do try that one, I might actually give this one to my boyfriend because he has started using it as well. Moving on to the final brand of this video is Daniel Wellington. So if you didn't know, Daniel Wellington is a watch company, and here's a little bit of tea. I have actually been asked to collaborate with them in the past before on a sponsorship, but I actually said no because I don't really wear watches. I only really wear my Fitbit like every single day, and so I kind of felt like wrong doing a promotion for watches. Like, as nice as they might be, I don't really wear watches, so I just stick with my Fitbit. However, someone that does wear watches and has shown interest in Daniel Wellington watches is my boyfriend, so I thought I would buy one for him as a treat, and also for this video to get him to test it because he's much more of a watch person. And again, I bought this back in June. It arrived on the 19th of June of this year, so it's nearly been 2 months now. I'm just going to insert that little clip of me when I first bought it. Okay, so this was the first thing that I ordered. This is what the box looks like. This was expensive, so I hope it's good. It has this cardboard sleeve that comes around it, and then the actual box itself is like matte black. Like, yeah, it comes in a nice box and stuff, but then to be honest, like, I'm the type of person that I keep the boxes in a drawer and then never touch them ever again. So okay, so to be fair, it does actually look very nice. Like, it looks like a nice watch. As watches go, like, I've never really tried any fancy watches at all, but it does look really nice. It's got like this silver hardware. I don't really know what else to say about it, to be honest. Let's get it out of here. So it comes all nicely wrapped up. I'm just going to try this on to see if it will fit me because I've got quite small wrists, and yes, I'm wearing my dressing gown, don't judge me. This one was unisex, I'm pretty sure, but I want to see if it will fit me and fit my boyfriend. Okay, so it does fit my wrist, but the only problem is like the material kind of sticks up, and there is like a silver bit there, but I don't know, have I put this on wrong? Wait, do I need to figure this out? Okay, I think I figured it out. You can kind of like put your arm through the loop that was on the inside of it, and then do it up and then put it through that way. But then like the watch strap bit kind of sticks out a little bit. Can you see that? I don't know if I've done that right. Who knows? I'm not a pro in watches. But I mean, it looks like a pretty nice watch, but that's way too big for my wrist. Like, the actual face takes up the same size as my wrist. So I'm going to give this to my boyfriend, let him wear it for like, I don't know, a couple weeks and see what he thinks. Okay, I've literally just realised that you can move the watch along. Like, you can move it up and down the strap. I think that's why it's got this like loop bit here. I think because the straps are replaceable, you can literally like move it along. Okay, I can't do it with one hand, but I did it a second ago. This really has been a really expensive video because that watch cost me a lot of money, and I used a discount code. I think I used Jordan's discount code to get like 10 or 15% off. Okay, so I just want to wait, how long has it been since I got you this? I love how you look at the watch to be like, what's the time? How long ago was it?
It's probably about...
It was over a month ago, yeah.
Nearly 2 months.
Oh, you're not even in it.
Oh, hi.
Hello. Basically, I bought James this one watch. I think I used Jordan's discount code. I did do a little like close-up before I gave it to you.
Oh, did you?
But you have worn that so often.
Pretty much like every day.
Brought it on holiday, and then there was one day where he went up to Cambridge, and then he phoned me and he was like, oh Sophie, I just went to Daniel Wellington, I got myself a new strap and a ring.
Yeah.
So I was like,
then you
what?
The new strap?
He
just a
bought...
black one for every day, and then I bought myself a little Daniel Wellington ring.
The rose gold rings, which I actually really like those. I might get myself one. I think they do them in rose gold and silver. I wish they did them in gold, because
I want the silver one.
The silver one's also really nice.
Silver one, 18.5, just saying.
I didn't actually expect you to like the watch that much, that you would go and buy another strap.
I want another strap
and
for my birthday, didn't I?
Yeah.
So that's what I've asked for.
So he's now sent me another strap that he wants to get. So I'm probably going to get that for your birthday, maybe, we'll see. But yeah, that was the review on Daniel Wellington.
Love it.
They are expensive, but they're really nice.
Yeah, they're incredible. Love them.
Good job. And he's now asked me to get him another strap for his birthday, so, you know, if that doesn't say that he likes it, I don't really know what else does. So Daniel Wellington gets a thumbs up from him, and I guess it gets a thumbs up from me as well. But do I think they're expensive? Yes. But to be honest, there's a lot of watches out there that are more expensive. I don't know why watches are so expensive, but there you go. Okay, right, now it's time to check if I have turned into Kylie Jenner. To be honest, as I've been talking, the tingling is definitely worn off. I can feel it a tiny bit now, but it's definitely got a lot less than what it was when I first put it on. If I'm being completely honest, I don't think my lips look any bigger. I think it's more just the fact that the gloss and the shininess of that makes my lips look a bit bigger than having matte lips, if that makes sense. So here are my lips after. What do you guys think? Do you think they look any bigger? It's definitely made them feel less dry though. They do feel like they're more moisturised now. And it does feel quite comfortable to wear, but I don't think it's made my lips any bigger. I always answer a question of the day at the end of my videos, and if you guys want to be the next question of the day, leave a question down below with the hashtag question of the day. So question of the day comes from Katie O'Toole, and she says, what's the update on you moving out? Do you feel any more ready than you used to? Can't wait for a new house tour. So yeah. Actually, I feel like, especially in the past year itself, I have matured so much, and I felt so much better, like, in myself and, like, my anxiety and being able to, you know, feel comfortable to want to move out. And yes, I am ready to go. I am so ready to move out, and I'm gonna be starting that whole process very, very soon. I think I'm gonna start, like, searching and like kind of like house hunting in sort of like September, October time, which is literally next month, which is really exciting. Right, so I'm gonna end this video here. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know. Give this a thumbs up. If you like me and you want to see more of my face, then subscribe and turn on notifications. And if you don't like me and you don't like my face, then I'm sorry that I wasted your time. That is all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!